welcome. If you are still finding it difficult to sell your product, I mean, if copywriting still sound and look like
wetin be this?
I'll tell you, by the end of this video, this should be the list of your problem. And no, I'm not a magician, but then with AI, you and I can do magic, and that is what we'll be doing in this video. And with what I'm about to share with you, you can as well make money. Now, this is a feedback from someone that is currently using one of my AI prompt products, and with this he has been able to get a client to pay him $3,000 for a copywriting service. Now, here is the sweetest part. This same client has decided to retain him and pay him $2,000 for the next month. That's a total of $7,000. If you convert that to naira, that is about over 6 million naira in today's exchange rate. And here is the thing, what I'm about to share with you is even an upgrade to this. I won't just share with you the prompt, I'll also show you the process and then sprinkle a little bit of hack here and there. And I'm giving all of this away for free. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video.